This week I want to talk about inside and outside doors. If we have our little car here, then you see that this door opens inside of the fender, while the other one opens outside of the fender. Now, how can we achieve this? Now we have here our little door hinge, and this is the fender, and this represents the door. Then this door will open inside of the fender. But now if we want to have it the other way around, we have to do exactly this. We turn the whole thing around, and now you have the door open outside of the fender and not inside anymore. But this was the tip of this week.